Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record a voiceover inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So to get started, I'm going to show you two quick ways of having a voiceover recorded. And the first way is to simply click on this record yourself option in the home page or the project page of your Clipchamp UI. So if you click on this try it button, it should open up the editor view inside of a new video project. As you can see from the top left, it says video project 3. This is a new one that Clipchamp just created. And on the left hand side of your screen, you're going to see a few options. So if we go ahead and click on the audio option, it should open up the record audio menu and then simply click on start recording. This is a voiceover made with Microsoft Clipchamp. There we go. So let's go ahead and give this a listen. This is a voiceover made with Microsoft Clipchamp. So that's what it sounds like. You can go ahead and click retake recording if you're not satisfied with the result, or if it's fine, you can go ahead and click on save and edit. So it should start loading into your media right here, and you're going to be able to have this available for any video project editing. So another way of accessing that menu is if, for example, you already have a video project open. So let's say I opened this video project, right? And I've already started working on it and I want to add a voiceover. You can go ahead and go to the Record and Create tab, which you can find at the top left-hand side of your screen, right below the My Media button. And this is the exact same interface that we have seen earlier. So you can go ahead and click on that and do the same process there. So it's pretty quick and pretty easy, and Clipchamp has made it very, very convenient and easy to use. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.